Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 3T 1040, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this ALCATEL. Begin by opening Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in Dev Check. After that, you need to install this free app from Flare Tool Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!